In one sentence, we can say that they're working on their experiences there. Hello beautiful people, hopefully you all been doing great. Well, in today's lecture, we'll be talking about the difference between there and there. They almost sound the same, but they're very different in meaning and usage. But before we are going to dive in, I'd like to remind you, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, just subscribe to our channel and also click on the bell icon so that you will get the further notification of our videos as well. Let's get back to the topic. If we talk about there, which is written like this, they, apostrophe and re. This is actually the contraction form of they are. For example, they are working now. So in the contraction, they're working now. They're working now. They are going to the gym. They're going to the gym. They're going to the gym. They are having a great time. They're having a great time. Now if we talk about this there, which is written like this is actually the possessive case of pronoun they. For example, it is their choice. These are their jackets. They have their own shoes. Now if we talk about this there, this is actually used for a place. For example, I do not want to go there. I will come to your house and I will stay there for a day. My bag is over there. Hopefully you got it, that this there, which is written like this, is actually the contraction form of they are, and this there is actually a possessive pronoun, and this there is actually used for a place. If you still have any kind of confusion in this topic, feel free to ask me in the comment section and I'll be glad to help you. That's it for now. See you in the next video.